The supercar vehicle segment has been dominated by Italian brands such as Ferrari, Lamborghini, Maserati, Alfa Romeo, and Pagani Zonda for decades. Other car manufacturing countries like the US, SSC, Germany, Porsche, and Sweden, Koenigsegg, have also produced some memorable supercars, but now it is finally time to introduce our very own Aurelio, the first Filipino-made supercar. Specifications: doors, 2 seats, 2 engine, 2.0-liter Mitsubishi 4G63T turbocharged horsepower, 457 HP, top speed 290 km per hour, 0 to 100 km per hour, under 10 SEC tires, 18-inch Rota suspension, VR4, front and rear, price $1.6 million. Now, let's talk a little bit about the specs of the Aurelio, now that we know it is a beautifully Filipino-built car. The car is available with a choice of 2 engines. You can get it with a Honda V16A VTEC engine, used in old Honda Civic Si, and a 2.0-liter Mitsubishi 4G63T turbocharged engine. The Mitsubishi-powered Aurelio packs 457 HP and is said to have a top speed of nearly 290 km per hour. It is also supposed to run a quarter of a mile in under 10 seconds. Adding to this amazing specs, the car is basically made out of carbon fiber and fiberglass to reduce weight. This car doesn't only look beautiful, but it sounds like it packs quite a punch. It can maybe not compete with its European competitors, but do you really need more HP? Plus, if you live in Europe like me, you see one or the other Porsche, but do you see an Aurelio? Owning this car will make you unique. The Philippines automotive industry started moving into sports cars. Its trailblazer is the Aurelio. The rising car manufacturer factor Aurelio Automobile has put their efforts into the design of the Aurelio to produce an European look-alike car, sharp curves, and low-slung design. The Aurelio is expected to make an advance in the industry that has shown so much potential for a long time. The Aurelio will mark a bright milestone in the history of automotive industry in the Philippines, demonstrating that beyond internal powerful features like a rich biodiversity, stunning natural environment, unique historical and cultural heritage, the Philippines is also home to a sophisticated sports car like the Aurelio. The Aurelio offers 2 engine types. The first one is Honda V16A VTEC engine. The second one is 2.0-liter Mitsubishi 4G63T turbocharged engine, also known as the Lancer Evo engine, reaching a high velocity of 290 km per hour by a powerful 457 horsepower. Designed mostly with fiberglass and carbon fiber, the Aurelio is quite light. Therefore, sitting on this car makes the drivers feel like they're moving faster than usual. The Aurelio offers 18-inch Rota wheels, a front and rear VR4, 2 doors and 2 seats for its owners and drivers. Specifications: doors, 2 seats, 2 engine, 2.0-liter Mitsubishi 4G63T turbocharged horsepower, 457 HP, top speed 290 km per hour, 0 to 100 km per hour, under 10 SEC tires, 18-inch Rota suspension, VR4, front and rear, price $1.6 million.
632 kilograms, 517 horsepower engine. It can do a quarter mile in under 10 seconds. Top speed 290 kilometers per hour. Sleek, stylish, sublime. Bred, born, and raised in the Philippines. You heard it right. For the first time ever, this is arguably the Philippines' only proper supercar in history. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Aurelio. DNA coursing through its system. But make no mistake, it's Filipino through and through. Speed, acceleration, Aurelio's got it all. But more than its undeniable performance, the Aurelio is simply pure luxury. It's sexy, edgy, and dangerous. The Aurelio is truly an unprecedented masterful work of Filipino craftsmanship. Transcending motorsports, engineering, and art. Aurelio, beyond luxury,